Assalamualaikum dear friends. Today is lecture about calendar. Calendar is very important in project because scheduling is done based on it. In Primavera P6 you can create and assign calendars to each resources, each projects and each activity. Three types of calendars pool are available in Primavera P6 is called global project and resources. To access the calendar in Primavera P6, click Enterprises, click Calendar and add to create a calendar. To understand the global resources project pool, here are some structure. Company project management unit have major department: human resources, civil construction, planning, procurement, quality. Civil construction ongoing project are project 1 and project 2. Project 2 have two activity 1, activity 2. Activity 1 need two resources 1 and resources 2. Global pool. To create a global pool, it will follow whole the structure of EPS project activity and resources. To open the project pool, it will follow projects activity and resources. If you open or create resources pool, it will only follow the resources. Here I already mentioned. Here are some exercise walkway construction. Our daily scheduling in walkway construction: working hour is 8 am 5 pm, lunchtime 1 pm to 2 pm. Sunday is holiday. Public holidays: 5th January, 5th, 6th, 7th June 2009, Eid ul Fitr, Eid ul Azha, 12, 13, 14 August. Exception: in this day we work only 9 am to 1 pm. Here open Primavera P6, click Enterprises, click Calendar. Here are some window are appear which show global resources projects pool. Click add to create a new calendar. Take a reference from this calendar. I already construct created a walkway construction. You create a walkway construction. To click take the reference some of them and create your own calendar. Click and select. Add. Select. Here change the name. Walkway construction. Click tick. There are some calendar are already exist which has name is walkway construction. If you create same name, it will appear some window. So click OK. Change the name. Walkway construction 1. Click. If you want to modify these calendar, you first go to default and click tick button and then modify. It will appear a new window that will show the calendar's total work hour, detail, legend, standard, normal, exception. Go to work hour, work week, days of week. Click Sunday, scroll down to Saturday. Saturday is a working hour. Click OK. Second time, click Sunday is a non-working day. Oh, non-working day. Saturday, our working hour is 8 to 5 p.m. Click working hour. Every box represent 30 minutes. Our lunch time is 1 to 2 p.m. Click these box and click non-work days. Click OK. 8. Yeah, daily schedule 8 to 5 p.m. 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. lunchtime, and Sunday is holiday. Next, there are public holiday. 5th January. Go to 5th January. 5th January is our public holiday. Click non-working day. Now open 5th, 6th, 7th January. Go to January. June. 5th, 6th, 7th. 5th non-working day. 6th non-working day. 7 is non-working day. This is our public holiday. Now click 12, 13, 14 August. Go to August. 12, 13, 14. Here 12. Non-working day. 13 non-working day. 14 is non-working day. Exception only we work 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. So go to 11 August. 11 August. Here is already a Sunday, so we take 10. Saturday 10. Working hour is 9 to 1, and other hour is none. To take non-working day. These are the exception. In this day we work only 9 to 1 p.m. 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Click OK. Hope you understand. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.